here's a 52-inch Concord Madison. Yeah, it's Concord, as you can tell. And these are huge childhood fans as well, besides the, my other fans at Ala Moana Mall. Besides those Delta 2s and everything, and the Lanais and stuff, this is a huge childhood fan. The reason why it's a huge childhood fan, my Arby's at Ala Moana Mall used to had 3 of them. Not this, but it doesn't have a light kit, so, and it's on a 12-inch down, was on a 12-inch down rod before, but yeah, recently, as you know, Arby's at Ala Moana Mall is no longer there. It's a Jack in the Box now, and when the Arby's went out of business, and they removed these, and I was pretty upset about that, as you all know. As you can tell, I'll start demonstrating the fan for you. Here's the light kit. This thing is powerful too for fan being Concord. Here's the light. Here's the low. And yes, I do have one of these at my school. Very nice looking fan. Very powerful too. And yes, you see an Emerson Ashland. Ignore it in this video, because this is about this fan. There's the light. Medium. This thing really kicks out a great amount of air. Yes, it's not very fast on medium, but high speed's going to be kind of crazy for a fan. Yes, this is medium. And plus my Ryans used to have those in antique brass, the Madisons, which is no longer in business. So here's high. Let me tell you, this thing actually kicks out a good amount of air for being Concord. You can probably hear the wind, but you can't really get up there to demonstrate airflow, but hear it on camera. But it's really powerful. Oh. So yeah, there you have it.